Hello, today we are about to test Nocta impact detector with the Mars MD Tiger coil. We are about to work in the deep mode and check the maximum depth for the First World War belt buckles, German helmets and the pots full of coins. Nice ID, 96, 35 centimeters, 40, 45 centimeters, on ID like 92, okay, 55 centimeters, okay, the last one, like 62. It's jumping, but it's normal. This is the extreme depth for this configuration. Starting from the first pot full of coins at 70 centimeters. Very easy. 95 on ID. Now the same at 85 centimeters. Not on every direction. This is trash, and the pot from this direction is 99, but pretty hard to decide to dig it, and 100 centimeters. No signal, okay. Now Second World War German helmet at 80 centimeters. Oh, very easy. 105 centimeters. Not in every direction. No signal, okay, 113. Also no signal, but that's not the configuration for such large objects. For sure in the static mode this object would be easy to detect, okay.